the world.
Are you?
No, I was not shocked. I'm always booed. Everywhere I go, I'm booed. I like to be booed. That's why I fight hard. Because I am the king.
Ready?
I'm ready. This is my national flag. I'm proud of it. And I'm proud of Africa.
All right, Sompa 93.1 www.somperfmonline.com. Of course, Ashanti. Yeah, Bomodena, yet me the shootout, Jumadena, Baba, Berametimera, Mane, Brother. On the shootout, ye transi and coma, ye dino, hey, dear, a fian common qua, and a bomb on the Timia Baba man in a Bahman, Yamadida Yepa, a Timmy Eddie Emami Dini Abu Dhabi Bishop Patapokua, Michael Akumia Gemfi, the sports Messiah, a video man of Michael Saibodu, and why you producers on all your apostle, and a face on Luther King, Nas, Ricardo Vaz, and a Prince Lacazette, La Calaka. Na jazeni omo etiche boa man ya makoye per makwam si a Buffalo ene Kelvin Munyina e wo ejuma omo nso ebo no enye ejuma keto atini entra konsise no nan bebo e be page mu na de akebia etimi ato aso so etimi era man tetem so ye rona ye didi din komade amaunze nei oro wani chemo the Ghana Football Association o maso ya amabo modern women's football strategy launch no etimi eramu Alisa Hotel o wesere on common esiatia amunzi omo bomode etimi entutuni na aboa na Ghana ya nkun ebefa so a yemba football no ebetimi ejina brand na ntutu akoye pa etimi aramenti mun komo no ojoine na ara hunzampa na area free president a ye frene ketie so kraku era fi makado no na the vice president ene obena lepe oro ni chimo the Ghana Football Association a ye technical director no a ohwene dane de nyina waboa ma ne ma da ye pa etimi aramen na ne opimpa no etimi eroma omabomode launch ne remo edieze abomode take first from ne etuoma kokosi 2026 ni nyina ne ze ye ra ye ntoto ye beboa na ma football no etimi afa ne tuma pefra na ne ma da ye pa etimi edi amomo na nra ye didi din common dreams FC kaze ne application no mo de atum na mun komo no ana ne ebisa minu shadow zi enya ne tie se kafa so ye no ye sister round no beba nya ba be compete o major competition bi ama je zo obomode wo matima oni omo bebo ejuma ne ya ne onzo omo de release bi aba na release no kinkan kinkamu a na je zo ma conference in dreams FC abomode ni dreams ladies akọ partnership bi a ede omo na eba ba beboa na ne ma de da ye kama pa so no etimi edi amomo na aboa na tutu na da di so edi amomo to check first paragraph this says and our Dreams Football Club is pleased to announce a partnership with Dreams Ladies FC as their women's team. This decision comes after the club remarkable success in the MTN FA Cup competition, securing the opportunity to represent Ghana in the 2023-2024 CAF Confederations Cup. Now, Boamanema did ye pretty meramontiano. The first paragraph on two kinkamwa na baba be ramasia na cheseni abomodi etimi achemudientia ehubehia so mbomodi ndi omo abomo ediwe no crack call from emane a CAF club license won sensem no bibi adeda de amom to omni release aba a confirm is ene omni Dreams Ladies ene baba be di kasuboma omni omo mati mo omni omo ba aba be edwuma na aboma bibi akoye pa etimi edi amom na won komoni mu na no ye baba na ya baba beto so na mom dimpa Nature Health Clinic ma kan etimi da chose ne ope bebi ebeboa na osa ya hwe na yetimi etu ase kama pa etimi da mawa e dimpa Nature Health Clinic komo ene bre na ama ahode na wegya na so na ne makoye pa etimi da ma osa ya wakwa ma de no aba be kwa nkro nye no kre odura mo dimpa Nature Health Clinic koma so omehwe na yetimi etu ase na aboa na bibia adeda yesu etimi da ma na mun komo no washa ase nye nsunsuanso we a ewo so obomode na utu anamo se nete ewo ahunso yefun yo ya ndibo nso oboso hwehwe wechi yo ya utipa wo edu anadwo a untime nda ewo so ayese wani kum no na wadidi awe no guso a odezaze eduane ne ba na jeza ntimi anda justie wakoma ne ho hwehwe kra ema onye nyanya ha bia ewo na cheze eboma ya na aye bibio eno jeza mpa also na didi mu ohwe ntimi ntu anama da bi no na cheso so waso ba ba ehyepe no na mekan for dimpa Nature Health Clinic diama se ko na koko romo maso ye no mo na beboa na wabomode nya afa odi na ne ma da yeso no etimi edi ama mun komo no ko abibidro ye rebe kan na afa edu de den a ye bomode na ama no ne de no ye timi edi bi akan se no ha wi bia na wo be form na ma ne o maka se zan so ni Ghana akọ a bebi obi ano ye bomode etimi etonkra e ma undro ni bia e boa ma utimi egia wona so enti romuni ambo na ne ma da di mfamfa ma akọ a ye on fidi awdo na edi be doso ni awo bebi a ha no won ti fa number no 0245 118 434 0245 118-434 na 0246 744 0246 744 Opo Madu wani chemo no Relax Towers de chemso en kan be bia na health insurance scheme no mo a omo ebo ejuma Dimpa Nature Health Clinic Dimpa yesi ahunya Dimpa Nature Health Clinic stomach ulcer last stop ramuna yamo ana jo for the drinks na bedwa maso na emienu eno ana ya atuma ya bobo bia emi ahoden so nkom ye ba neba be ramo etimi eye ejuma na kama pre etimi era mana munkomo no se nete your mizo drink on or mixer 5G mixer 5G no eni abama ni ndia ba na ye dia yem tiama ahoden so nkom na ni se woni se cafe sembia nim tu kwakwa ejuma wa ye etimi ewie no obo modern etimi agi mixer 5G ni bia ebebo modern na ma ahoden so ko Ghana omu ama school for Nigeria tuma musua dia na omo twene kakra na eboa na ne makoyie pa etimi ere ma na fe jinse no eyi ntinima eboa ma ye mema no ye sisi na mu ye den na grapes no ebo modern yam niema no e ma ne ye adwuma kama pa green tea no ne nane srade no ma body shape nya na kama na mpewe opede mixer 5G ne kan yo den a orose mame 5 omo ana bo modern di miso fruit drinks no ababa na drink na mu ede obo wanum to izanze ne yeri organic fruits so and abomodi etimi ebi is orange pineapple ebi is apple melon and afi mango na mudro no say tienie and this about kubi na euro no we de obo anwuzampa wabade etimi agobo nti de padro na ba be hiem no mixer 5G miso fruit drinks no abomodi etimi edie ramu pebia manager Daniel 21st clinic in overseas and afi so no mama Esther oro aniko nyeko kochemo enso ewa adomni asunje Junction Watra Baptist University na owo no so no nyebo adwuma PNC Ventures Anomanje Taxi Station Aussie Charity Hospital Junction no omu ye adwuma na Nasachi Enterprise no oro ani chemo asafo abincha Aussie VIP car park no ye boana wajibi ono form number no 0246 270221 0246 270221 afi 0558 106348 0558 106348 niambwa nane mandeda yeso no entimi enfama na ntutu no entimi ekwe na mami abe nroma na so ya bema wadena ye kete amankofo esre also ko transition be yejuma from Wiser to Beam Nation na fe mo yedu abonze bo enim ankofo ho anom yam hwehwe omo ni nyina zampa ejuma de bebo no ya de ano edin palon spec count dunya wa peba na ewe ni etwa nten so ni nyina no eyo ha na me ya dunya you be na wo yere fi na prostate no obomode ye nwedweza so prostate no unyina na eye kese wa hwa ndodo na nyandro bi bebo na da bi no ye de bibibi kwa akoto be mani ma ebe ma na ha adwe na kodjoko no gina nkwantia ajegunzo otia simponi ni aso na de na kwa kopie nsamampom na ajazo wan zampa ade na nkaza mu ayede baby girls na na kra ye wodro mo no omo kokro omo ma na ayekeja asa ne dem so bebre kakra e di ozore na mamia bebu announce no uji announce baby girls na center boat no aye wika e was already na bomode etimi titan no na eboama na madadi permanent bebi we cheche ebe de be yakono na asunwia befie na ne madeda yeso etimi rama na me aye mana so no ye refi obosome so obunsa odentiamu sa fabro na edunya ni no be no abomode etimi refi na tedie twaya ye ba ko anim guase pa na mun komo ne sere nema ni sietie no eni de rewram no e ya de ano e den kakra na ni nyina mu no maame no ebomode etu ase nyame na no so ye edwuma pa ene circles on sensema kwadana yesi onyindu bebi obefimu no maame abe wo no be na wabomode etimi ye refi ona so no watimi nya wode amane ma ko etu kwa scan test no ye circle test no ye open atano so apatrapa new site o obena apatrapa junction no 0243 3453920 243 na 0506 460203 0506 460203 ni amwa mane mandeda ye pemfa mama daroma area baba betram ya mama de nansem no nyetimi ento aso dia Bismarck Kobe Mensa embrebe etwo bodwuma de ma Karela no pimpa na etwebe no ebizanze de na nam so manifi Karela boboko no amaso ade na ni chemo bi foforo nkomo se no bomo de etimi adijai.
I don't go into details about it, but I'll summarize it to say that about welfare of flesh. Things were getting difficult. And I will say it here that financial problems with the teams in the only one team, it cuts across board, meaning it's almost every team in this country because there's no money in our league. Both the babies are very difficult. So I think our player welfare not misunderstanding that.
Etiano ye komo bomo de timere to jase do baby player we frɛ no e kan bi na nya onko a teams no dodo na no e ba ni sika sem na ya no mo da ya kakra na ofio no Rome Olympics mama me ni ano worker no pa ye confirm ye de man say coach ano worker join o ma 2 years there okona wa kwa ko bwana na ma da di imperial great Olympics no e de biza bisma ko bi mensa so ne ni nkomo Olympics na nkasa o join no se na na nkomo na nkasa isi etie se ne no so de mi
Olympics was a strange thing because seriously, Olympics is not in my plans. But definitely, along the line, it came. Sometimes, I might not. I would say I was not ready for that job because plans. That is one. But through certain painful, Olympics was so approaching, and all the media. It's always difficult for you to say no. And out of that, I accepted it. Though I am saying that Olympics was not part of my plans. No question, I think things were difficult. So it was very, very difficult because one, in season or the middle of the season where first, second round game. Second round, no, I won first game. So I went to play 16 games.
Etiano ye komo bomo de timere to get fan after no now see Olympics on kokoko re no wa bomo de esua niam bebra o diri se no aboa ma dwuma die no di no kakrakra ebesa aboa na niam de dadin ere amana so no enchemuse no bomo de etimere jai.
I'm trying to change the philosophy of the team or trying to change the mindset of players, trying to change certain one, it take time. So that made it very, very difficult for me, seriously. And I would say that at the end, I think the experience I made within a short time with Olympics, for me, at the point, things were hard for me to even think about. But I can tell you today, the experience that I've gotten, I think I'm better off than the time I went to Olympics now, because it has made me a very strong person. And even I can tell you that now I have improved on my mathematics, in football. I will not talk too much about it. It was difficult in the beginning, but at the end, the main objective is that, as a person, mainly the Olympics for relegation. At a point in time, the major objective or the main objective was to escape relegation, and which, together with the technical team, the players and the management and everybody, we were able to survive.
Etiano ye command your bomb de timere tuja. Nina mre boa mane ma daddy permanti coach Bismarck Kobe Mensa no yankona Shaibu Ibrahim Tanko esu jamo etime erema Karela United onso no ka teams a prison be survive na pa otime survive ne bizanze difficulties ben and offer more kokukura manyina say don't so about modern common no ejai.
Due to so many factors, except that I can only mention maybe one or two. There was this challenge of discipline in the team. So as I was able to stabilize the team in that regard, and then I have to change the training regimen. Yes, the way things were going, I have to come and bring my expertise on board in order that things will change. I have to work extremely hard with the players. Of course, I could not do it without the support of the players. So that was it. I spoke with them, meaningfully, for them to understand what we are looking for, as where we are lying was not good. So I was always emphasizing on it. For the players to really, appreciate it and then make inroads regarding that.
Etiano ye command your pimpa no problem de timere tuja jeso kwe na niam mo edini or discipline issues also hena obom de timere so anu anti sa dwuma de no odin kakrakra na bo mane mada yi perman after no and as baby akokoko due na kete na nkamore na de na wosua etimere film and also komozi no obom de timere jai.
The lesson that I envisage and will be that we shouldn't wait for last we put things right. It's always difficult to do things at the last hour. You could succeed or you fail. So why not choose one option? In order to succeed, you do the right thing from the onset, so that you wouldn't find yourself in this sort of, so I'll put it,
Etiano so your command on Pomodi Timidi Ramo Eddie MHS Eddie Wasiano and it's also Bomodena Ashasiano Utimi and Tuturi and Tenyasana Kechia Ebemi Jumana Edin Kakra Etimi Eddie Amana to Tianosono Etimia Dadina Hartefuk Mastriano Bekiana Yebriki Timia de Marseni Kelvin or say Asibi a defender de ma 11 wonders senior joining Omonio Makako Bujmantine in the medical no Bomodia Coque and on TPK. Eneti neguama or bibia de dadin na ya bomodi declare say wa pass ya na chese ne or joining out to folk na 2023-2024 season no oni omo etimi abodjuma na abo ma bibia ko yepa etimi edi amana Mohamed Ahmed Polo enso ye legend ojamu bodjuma na na weekend ne baba betodwa za ana seru tender upin pa na fimu hu se ball no body ma has ya na chese na no edian na ni nyina mu na ewram kama pra etimi na mu nkomo no ene biza Mohamed Polo ze ore sere niema esie ko eni di ewram ne sere nhihye na esie ti a de mpa ena ode kai pin perfect na na sedu komo si ero di ere for pin pa no
what you say brother enu na start from en collaborate me elder brother me planning for elder brother but me no mu na ebo from in collaborate football school football or ansana omunya chance eko ha so na meso meto aso ene me de no social or black stars so enti o no brother na anas wa pay ni due as a footballer ni kai goes be a o share na ya wini from that match and I say, Ayuma na ya goalkeeper or goal no. Na the short no, or bo short say Ayuma and dodge. And the bullet papa and it's a very skillful player and is hard working. It's a method, and a schema. Or botuma papa or could what Gina midfielder. I think easy like
tell no your command your bomodi timeri na just wa bomodi aka ho asema time almost start any adia na after no na no pa ba ko na ye kan ode no so to azo ze okokodu ayi na se na simpinfo aba na ne mo mba be kan ni nsem omodi ram no ya ade bia arehuye papa na eno so say no bomodi de mu nchimu no ewram de mai
I was, I understand that the devices we are only Masama Omubeka. Omo catcher, Mewo, and yes, Mewo, and that's why I'm still saying, my brother, and Timmy, because she has asked him, yeah, and now say, you see. As of course, my academy, as Anas or Nebabia or Peseto. She said, Anas, Uba, Aqualana, Uncle, a friend said, Uncle Training Academy. What is this? There are some, where are some, where a message? Muba, Namwa, Sikabian say, say, Yamfanya Funanoka, Muba, Abe Casa, some way, or Munima Nasi, Tiziana, Uncle. Some way, painful neighbor. Is that the message? Is that the correct message for a believer in a family? Let's see announcement in a mirror way.
Etiano ya komo bomodi etimeri tu jana na coach Kasim Menga bomodi ashij madina se ruani chimo nation service o masuyana first day at work eti coach kakra.
Sompa Sports. I'm not coming here. I'm coming to represent you. You understand me? With the corporation, they're giving me the same thing. You want unity among you. When you tell him something, you come and tell me. Tell me something, I will tell him. He's my brother, he's not my friend. We're young, we play together, the same thing together, we sleep in the same room. When we go to come, we travel outside the car, we sleep in the same room. He'll be my friend. After our football career, we'll be in touch up to now. So you know we are no longer friends, we are brothers. So your chairman wants us to build something big. So if you have one technical brain, maybe the handicap somewhere. So we have two technical brains behind it. Two technical brains behind the team. So everything rely on you people.
Sompa Sports.
That the first important thing, you want discipline. When you are not disciplined, you cannot play this thing. It should be our first thing that we are playing in here. Discipline. If you are not disciplined, you cannot play football. You have to sacrifice for something. You understand me? Sacrifice for something. The footballer, you know, don'ts and don't. You will talk it later. Whenever you come to the every day, do it.
Etiano, here command your buy day one. Wapo modi meet your ma preseason e shase no. Or dia to yati mo na beba ba be ramo etimi e dia madwigi. Montrans in ndidi ni komo na krobia komasi Ashanti kotoko. Sere shen komo na sia no pan ni se di rem no. Zi new coach no eroma kudidi komo ne adia but even if ze hon sen bobo e dia bati. Bi yo bagwa ba.
Ah yenua.
Ye remen 70 de doson dodo na remo.
Ashanti kotoko e wura.
Sompa Sports.
O ka ho asembia fadika fasa de ne hye wa dream. Sa Ashanti kotoko e si pinti asase wo we e na hokwa.
Yeah.
Ashanti kotoko e wura. Ya sebre ya se be momote asese sebio enye bibia keke eye bosum. Mo bosum e ni rada.
Ora. Ora pa.
Bosum ana comfort down. On na chiro na chuade.
Yeah.
And Sankayani be a mokika no, the owner must invest in this annual money be a mokaning in an Sabio, Sabi, Yano Sisuminem, so Sabi. So you are never heard there. Cabo tuna for so on your day, Rafi, and you are now.
Yeah.
Hey, Fabi be out to so I see me our person catch us and to go to Kora, Konako catcher. Nanyesa
Sompa
ne
Sports.
isi wa Ashanti kotoko mu no e bro de mu hu no abonten enye de incident na nye nenso nko na ebesi tina so kwasi e bi omo de aboho uwura ma I'm so welcome we were once like you UPF says almost goodbye you will be like us so what I say the regime change kotoko mu no enye ne ene bredi kan regime change ametu ato okumase sekotoko is from one management to the other metu to na Bruni say in recent memory sekotoko timini Dr. Keke sapon twem so mutimi na hebed mensa twem a ene no mbetimi na obi atwem
Yes.
ntine bread ru so no kasa tenten ye we sise ni nyina no ye hwen ye na ye ntu anamon e be ma team na nkasa nyin. Kotoko's biggest problem is disunity and a politics of interest. Sebi nyawo na be ka che fi se obi nsi trodo matwa. Nanso penyimfo ka sebi am ko mu se drama fo so a na yakaya no. Ubeye bi ubeja wako. Omuku ya bodina ke kane atennie ni ni tansem kasa hu bia no muntwangu. Team na nkasa ne de wo ene mo se ye hwese the executive board chairman beba
Yes.
sa kasa ne nyina wo ye centronia mi tufo sabi mi nyesho se sebi o ma ne susu minem mi o dibire bi a metimi de tumi nwa centronia fo ne mo esan se me tren central fa de enti mo ho kwa se metimi capture on se sa koto konsem we no kape Bruni se fa caveat etos o ka bi ahwe
Sompa Sports.
Sebi who nim nyansa sen ne team ne ne dia
Sa pepepe.
kotoko no so on pensen ne ne dia no ye benya na nka ya akwanya a ye be kasa ne akasa o nhwehwe ye de gu akwam se mfie du edi anim kotoko eko enie na me atame ye sentro ni a mesi sebi o man siso a menime bishop atapoko anye bi abra me sere bisa o panyin kofi badu no me sentro ni papa ni sen
David.
Kofi bedu no no atworo Ghana ha ye de na Holland ya ma na akotworo bi no emimi de na mete he me zimi ni nyansa sen no
David.
na waye Asante hini ni chief of staff ena me se me pe kotoko sen omu mienu I'm more Catholic than the Pope
David.
masa ntino samu omu akwanya o na no na me chipese me chire bi mu na bi mu te ase sebi se ohwe na ofiri se odrum panin fie so na pese ohun nsa hohoro na ne mpanimfo didi a hohoro nsa wi ya golf park
Sompa Sports.
A house was ase so asukwa manso kwanta hino ana bikusi wetim dwa sama kotu nanim ko krum hini ho so kru no oni ma hini na so yotum for brimpo kone ho kase nana esrema ya sante kotokon because I am there enne sebi o manu susuminam so otum for that sorry na asante memo bi ani ha o ya asante hini wo han so
yeni ho
nemum se ye da sorry na sebi anu susuminam yen kase samra se otum for adane benkum so a asante be mamo asante hini foforo
sa pepepe
if you say akonya kase ni mpo otete no ye hu asante hini na watena so afebol da akonya kase na krase ye ntena so afebol na kotokwa akonya mum ne be tena so afebol
dabi
good nti ye besre se kasa no ene se ne university no ye hwe yi abusua te se kwaye oben a ena hu se dua bia obabi esi wo abonte na okasa obetima kanse ni bi atwanten yinten a ne mum se oben a hemfie na se ne amum hu nioma no
enye za na ti
hu ne sa nti wankasa anamontuo papa ben ena wutuo ginaye ben na wusie di aboa ama boboko no etimi akonkan kasa tinti bebre no se na okunin sapon kan en toponko so tase mon kama kuma ntumo yempa se betumi a kama nenko kwaku sabi mimu aten na minni aten so mpeso mo ye na ya mponsa ho fia omo ne mo de be ye ne ho fi na mo ye sa de na mo benya
unya hwemfi
se di nti ameka sa no maka chwo se me ni owura keke saponsa ye no asema o kan ya me de tu me ho fu pa ne se sabi wo di de awie ya me nse wonum o se se wo ho a fansa hye onsa benkum we no de sha kotu no fa hye wa auto uri ayi na fa o perfume a o use papa no fa gu nsa no so 10 minutes time hia sa on te se o to pampa ka perfume no ho a
obete
go nti oye nipa yi de wa me ye ni nyina yura kwame twei kuni ono so ye nipa yi obenya sintone mfonso enzo hwe na manko fa de we an cheche answa ameka de enim anye de enye yesere mu pi ensem fata mo ma sundwemra why na ebo kwaku ese de yesi asante hini ya yesi ohima so de we na eba yesi de we so na na yesi asante hini ma anti bebe
yes
eye den ya tim ni benya kanifo foforo nemum misire bisa nananum misire bisa mo kakra se impo
Sompa Sports
ana nkamedi fam bise mintimi mpo mfa madwen ma mo se mo no moti akonya kese so a na emu hu no se migina hokra mihu akonya bi wo ho a kotokodo no ebetimi atra mfie miensa na anan ana no modamo bibi wo ho a mo hu enti na mo mpese ebekwa akoduru se ye ma obi mfie nsianum se onfanye kotokono modamo ebru se bibi wo ho na mbetima kire yemu a ke ani beso ye kan se no na ye sensre se asante kotoko no nkasa no se kitafo ni ho ni ho na mum nhihye e digu akwam se omodo no eso nte no WhatsApp group madam Floya bi o se on de okwa ko yifa bu census no wa yi ni ho afim
ko yi ni ho afim
na me se onya abutre we ye ketwa bi fa bu census enya first time mo ye bi ni
yes
ya kan na im se mo nya modwe some better ya mo te ase because you were quick to push the novelty button sana bro ni friend okun je ku for man panyin dada oye fabu census of course ana something na kasa catch circles no say omunye otum for special initiative na ye den see be twetwe sika de abakotoko brano ekosi sen ntinye de hu bi dani na nye nnenso na ye behu na odo na awo no kwaku odo ni bi ni say mudi Herbert Mensa chi cooking five am ye wo nipa ni bia no mo yekotokofo a omudi Herbert Mensa chi e cooking five am me boa
yes
good ntinye de hu bi dani enye na ne ye behu bia nka na koma ntuniyam na sabi wo gidie e wo wahemfo mu a na wo gidie otumidie ni mpanindie mu a ene na mpanyimfo no be kire kwan a emfaso enko so what I say if you say anamon bi wo ho a mo tu na ma hwini ya kasa ne bi minnuanom sentrofo na nkasa na mo hwe yi ni say to mo amene ye adwuma bi da so far asami ata mene mo ye adwuma no me mpa ya mebo ama mo de abom ho ban ne say unya asem e wo menhia hemfie ho ana o him bi ani mo Asante a say na metia na yesi aton sa frɛ say otumfo say Ibrahim fie na ka je o numadru viso kwa baba no why say ba what I say mo hwe man no kasa ye so wa sembika first impeding force na fako
okay
so wa sembika bo modian na ebrebre na ko golf park okwa ho no Santehene on te akonwa so o te akonwa no so anya ono na te ho no na mum so obo golf no de ye no a asamo se o te dwom na o de wasem betu na nima ohun ne sa anu ko fa so ne anto ahene ene anto ampanyu fo kasa ye no na nya ono a tumi e wa konwa no na kasa me shia ohempon yura me shia no golf
Sompa Sports
mrene bibi jata kwa na me yakra ketwa ne ye ne senior city no e fe keke uti asem
pa
tumunhwe na mono asem no ankoyi muka ana sedu ball one of the first players I'm paka no nsem twem no was ana sedu
okay
tender na papa be na asem pa na hu ne ball bia na papa ka na sedu asema jai oni panyin bia na nsem sirim ho no amusa badamushi na papa ka ma asema na bia ye me sa has fearsome 5 ana sedu osebo no obo nyina na otiam mo park na so tender na ye ne bullet na ya ye ka ho asem
okay
osuma ball no na ye ba
jadi echi
obedwane na otakel oyobi otake pa hard tackle press na ball ni as a defensive midfielder na so traba mo asem na so the ball ne ba obo 8 number 8 a obe bon sama
efekwa
has enya midfielders bebre great midfielders na about team no nemu minu a obo mu dia na papa sorry gina brand ma won no baako ene anasedu baako ene Adolf ama no mu nim ball ne ba omu nim ball ne bo ankasa na enya asem ketwa ti Nyankopon na no de ma ono na oje ina raju sasa na muka no Nyankopon na nje ne kransi yi no man bebi ntina ma eboko wabesoma sum yi na polo asem na oka na metiase because na anasedu ye ne senior so no ne anasedu bo has no kra no na ye na howa ono ya kra no na ono ni nuanum nkra di agro nso mbobo de na obobi e wa anasedu mutim anas moko has ansa na ono polo no eko si sen yesre bi se anasedu no has amaye bibi ama
Dabi
what is omo bobi bibi aka bi afa no
Dabi
nyabotre
Sompa Sports
rante ne koye ne se obi ofurisi oti na akonwom opa bomo dia agro se si anako chana no pa se mi ame metna o me nya edmana companies are quick to move on but they are not ready to remember heroes
no correct
and I said asem na ya pa ne ba
was obo fa o ba bia ya fa ne bra has academy
omo academy no omo fa omo ko fa Ishmael Adoba mum no mabo
omo ko fa ba
Ishmael Adoba
ba bi o ba se bu o are o be esre pa
omo ko fa Ishmael Adoba no mabo de
it that ask for la who say
omo ko fa Ishmael Adoba de
no be academy no
te don pe no omo ko fa Ishmael Adoba no mabo
mate me da se bi bro
But my launch women's football philosophy, no? A 3-year strategy project or more to improve women's football. Resting on 4 pillars. 4 pillars na resting on no. A kasadifa talent identification and nurturing. Say emba footballers. A better than it me who say we no or a chedi this will bet me about ball no. Na yasanso abwa apolish nyoma baako mienu miense bi e wone ho na wetumi improve e kasa about commercialization and marketing and also ya one pillar say mba football no say etimi aye medroom pempen so bi e kwan ben so na ye ton ama aye akono ere ama omo a omo wo emonten na omo so etimi a consume na face so kwan ben so na ye a edisika ebem ebia na ye niji enko a but how do we commercialize women's football to make it financially beneficial to all the major actors or more and football team, and also a part of the pillars are this 3-year strategy, and also arrested on. And so clearly, in 24 of the Barbeto FNO online portals, and so my own documentaries near there on the Barbeto social media. In the next few hours or days, you be home baby as a cause in tea bar. Now it's me did home come. After this, there is still the national football philosophy, FNO LC or Belonchi.
Yes.
And also then we'll also be able to delve deep near home and your messy. So there's the activity that has taken place at the GFS front. Now, Congress Webasun Yankopoya Adoma Monday. Now, what is coming out as part of the agenda for Congress, Agenda 8, headlined or titled Suspension of a Member. Nanoni Jemwani owns a member near wine. A member of the FA. Agenda number 8. Suspension of a member. What say? You have called Congress and sana. Yeah, itemize anasi liste. Nyoma hodwana jumedia hodwa ye kwa kodi wa Congress na se. Enkoma ye bedi nyoma ye beye. Inti omo title agenda. So agenda 8 for the upcoming 29th Ordinary Congress of the FNO. Agenda 18 suspension of a member. Obi of you know bisa member nye officials no me ejuma FNO. The members of the FA are the clubs. Into that do na ka say you can't GFA na football clubs na. GFA ni nye keto club ko nye prosperous na do. The football clubs no omo the members of the FA. Now they are suspending one member for flouting stipulations about GFA statute name. GFA statute in it said Ghana a 1992 constitution. And then you had the Bob Brower Ghana and then you did Juma. Samson of football name no as an association a core mate GFA no. Among a constitution the statute. And he said, "Woi da suban BD and now Bob Brebia and then their statutes ne canabo bra pe." Now was a FNO a 2 and among Editia Wa would join a kuono. So they are taking a decision against one member, and the member here, Ash Good, pay me checks.
My money Ash Good.
Yeah, pay me checks.
This mena omudi remu.
Checks na my no abu na a comodia, mamimbi agenda 8 no na menking kind kakra and fam mount. Omuchem say pay. What was stated, any day what was required from a member, as good a braille. Almost cite the legal basis. Say the FNO, a company limited by guarantee, registered under the Companies Act 2019, Act 992 of Ghana. Then FNO are regulated by the laws of Ghana, and then by the statutes of the association. Any various regulations are Yajia to Mededi Juma. Now, GFA almost statutes Article 17 kase suspension. Now, suspension no a kind 1. Congress is responsible for suspending a member. Now, as a Congress no moko convening no. And then the word to me say omutimi a trip member be sign. They say be a wada suban be dia and fata. The Executive Council may, however, temporarily suspend a member that seriously and or repeatedly violates its obligation. There's a ESCO no to me it take such an action, but any a temporary, but permanent suspension no arrest within the powers of the Congress. 2 no answer say a suspension of a member by the Congress requires more than 50% of the delegates representing the members present and eligible to vote, and 3/4 voting for the suspension. A suspended member shall lose its membership rights, blah, 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 na a kind of call. Now, Bemwa, why Ash Good are being suspended? And say, may kind be suspension by the Executive Council of the GFA. GFA suspends Ashanti Gold SC for dealing with banned officials. Now, it's a ESCO no take a decision to ban Ash Gold because 1. Officials are from Dr. Kweku Frimpong, number 1. Anna Emmanuel Frimpong, number 2. A idea FNM ranim no. Omo abra omo se memo mo form home for a football a year nyome be a wagana ha. Ade bi a GFN ye football related no. Dr. Kweku Frimpong ne ba Emmanuel Frimpong no. Memo mo form ho njim. Enti wa we football related a we ni GFA ni di dwuma no saa nkofo mienu no so hwe na woni o man sign now saa suspension we buy no Ash Gold ebubu nnu egu o masum and still they are involved with Dr. Koku Frimpong and Emmanuel Frimpong enti GFA ni say saa subai na Ash Gold ada ne di no esefata se ode ono ane mra no etwena so ene mra no ode twena so no article 17 of the GFA statute enunti ana so moko congress na omoko movie motion ne se ene yantu aba na Ash Gold enambra bonia in court wa boninti yeyin in free Ghana football nim as a ye twena so ye twena sensen enya de a GFA ni dwumadi omubedi for the 2023-2024 season no Ash Gold account
na mebao eno ne beye for like Afribwana
no for the season Congress where they are taking a decision now.
Oh, okay.
Now the decision to suspend a rest with Congress esco no be take a temporary stance was suspend until untimi ebia ya start season ye ball season where ya boy do be 3 months no anya afeni ye be convene Congress ya ko suspend. So within that period no the ESCO can sit and take a decision say and the war member A and nam se subaya wadanedi 3 months ago ninti ya suspendo temporarily for the entire season umbobi na ye season na ye Congress ayenhyemude no ehɔ ne ye ba be ready activity report enti season no de course no nyina no ye ba be gi atum se ye wie season na ye twa ne ti enti ye ba be hye season for frase. Now announce your suspend for the season inti. It was all suspension ye BM near the way forward. Congress never take a decision and sad year for the next football season no still untimi and siakaya na untimi take part. And Congress will take a decision to ban Ash Gold for the 2023-2024 season. Etimiba after see be sad new season e be no. Now Congress now sans we share oh ya twa masu be here. Until we are lifting the suspension from Ash Gold.
Oh, okay.
So Congress can suspend for a season or more, but the decision to extend it will be at the next Congress. Or more sounds why.
The abundance are not just a season there, dear Nimine, yeah, ball.
Yeah, exactly.
It's the same people, but just
the next Congress now. Ashanti because Congress there was 2 minutes or yes, so for Ash Gold 2023-2024 season. Some members need you to normal to a bar, then they will not be able to take part in the new season. Say Division 2, Division 3, any GFA sanctioned initiative, Ash Gold into me fan hunjim. Exactly.
Now, what match in a ultimate? We
are referee. Ultimate could you Oboko pair sorry be normally I sorry no but no more you referee or more because as it stands now, no official, no individual, no entity, no group, I only GFA no tracker. And I'll bet many Ash Gold in your tracker, so almost suspend you or more.
Making Ash Gold or more.
Ash Gold or
how more you training way?
What's it?
How you training way?
No, one said there has been legal issues. Now legal issues, they are battling the issue our court.
Oh, okay.
It's a more tackle issue, no, my mechanics are not battling. And they are fronting that particular cause. Or move the headway now. No one who baby are or modefa. Returning from Accra, a couple of former Ash Gold players, sorry, any former Ash Gold officials, no more didn't come. I chanced upon them. And it was all about the welfare of a club. There is a group now. Fans say Obuasi based footballers, any Obuasi professionals. Some come away because war. So it's not like Obia to club no mun to nejejemu. Facility na Obuasi no mejai sa. But the club are fighting say quite fast you are free league nim now and you're quite panty. They want a way back. The GFA will take a decision next week Monday. Our Congress. If they take that decision, whatever happens, it means you're suspending your more. Unless the next Congress, so that is a development, a free mover. So minim Kwanya Ash Gold befaso. Or no bet because Congress will not take it part.
Yes.
Good. Inti be suspend. No, it means how do you lobby your way through? I was say to aba. members ne to aba, eventually you'll be suspended or otherwise. Unless omi ina to say they be injured on the came. So that decision will be taken by clubs nankasa. Into China, ote say Ash go ya suspended na. Enya Kertokraku. Enya Prosperous na clubs in the court or maba or decide here. See ja almost wa. The same applies to the GFA officials body. No. The power rests with the clubs to decide the fate of a year of Wasi Ashanti Gold. And then my memorable revelation be, I don't know if minimal there. Unim the cost of running a website.
Or run a website
for a year. Okay. Met me my assignment.
Mommy assignment.
Could the home common nebisa? What is the cost of running a website? Any website? Website traffic neson. Tianfan say an international website.
Oh, okay.
Cost of running that website for a full year. Unya. China must make the figures be over to Jadia.
Yeah. Pio.
Oze.
A pio.
A bit PMO Congress.
Congress, you know,
there will be a budget. Ready budget for the next 2 seasons. Last Congress, no more year for season a year. So we are entering into 2023-2024, then 2024-2025, 2025-2026, and for the next 2 seasons, 25-26, and then 24-25, no, and whole budget it will be decided at this particular Congress.
Oh, okay.
League now you be born for next season, no, and our next season football campaign, no, and whole budget on my area.
On my whole budget,
yeah, it was done at the last Congress, 28th Congress. No?
Oh, okay.
But the next 2 seasons, ADNM, 2024-25, 25-26, a whole budget on mobile. So the money the FA expect, any expected income and our revenue, sika or more expected so many, any call mobile bono, it has been pieced together as part of the budget statement or more prepare. Now, or more present here, the clubs will vote on it. Some of the figures look okay. Figures need be so idea kissing kakra. Now me say me mouse assignment no. Running an international website for a full year. A casino ubebo. And then what the FA budgeted said they will spend on the website almost a war. Sound common. Hopefully nyanko punch na yetumi edi. So and also an
na azo mu ni coach o mo yesan
ni. Football, they develop it to a level. You don't necessarily need the coach before you make signings.
Sir.
Yes.
But they had a biggie. They are near more strong. A different kaka. My name is the one.
Yeah.
There's a real
technical director, the sporting director.
Yeah, and you but I say you who say coach in you. You be coach. Near yes signings are. Coach in the baby do as I made Jumana it is over cry, we cry, and I'm going to buy you. Oh, no,
that is why you are a coach.
Did you ever to be a fire?
I have also witnessed or experienced a situation where coach never or the players in Kwane buy. Now the lifespan of a coach in any Ghana Premier League side is short. See a Jawu coach nesa kofa unkwa players a brand yes after 4 months. What's 18 no? So there needs to be a collaborative effort. Coach never recommend be. Club in Pennyforno, so very recommended because coaches will come and go. But I am not in say club in Pennyforno or mobile content and enemy. So the club administrators they last longer than the coaches that we have here. What do you see about start this season? Yes, start this year coaching casualty. You 13 coaches. Yes, start this season on Mokoe.
Yes.
Media man on OG League. No. They started the season and yet Duncan started. Omo matches and son of Duncan, but Duncan left. Umar Rabi Befai, Oja Hokoe, Ivan Sado Teaba. So 3 coaching changes. Asante Koroko, they made a coaching change. Zebo came to replace Prosper before the season started. Oja Hokoe, Nagazali Niwe Mukre, which has been a trend with Asante Koroko, but the season on the G League. No. Season no Mangia has a G. No. They sacked how many coaches? Maswo Kunedu, Barreto, and then eventually the icing on the cake, Sobeshe and Finfin Kakra.
I see.
So we don't have coaches staying for long. And to us who jai recruitment Brana better players are or better players now but coach never call the players will remain. Maybe new coach no be ban favor no. So the clubs I think should have the major say. And your coach no.
all the team now can
exactly.
major two all transfer her be our plans and economy was the player we be boy quick
exactly. The normal football practice near say even woman no and your coaches in the top players
Dabi
a club no so club no have appointed somebody who is technically equipped with the knowledge so be who's a player we be boy nemwa no asanso for sporting director so they sit down no ma frɛ coach they say for target fabra and the coach need the target ne bar then they will scrutinize the list into a list na no almost why your more recommendations because club ne was scout into almost smart scout and so uncle hwehwem it is their scout ne they buy no they add it to the list and be a coach need any yes your option ni compare the two coach ne they suggest ne there yes you want you feel say there heavy scene coach ne there because they will look at certain qualities and attributes a player ne wo a person near check his scouting report when an in-person pan so ebi wa coach ne dey or the beba kra ne bebo atuegu and then in the end it is a club's decision that will stand inti me and fan to your teams and coach by inti enye signings omo be koswa yesa they will keep on making those recruitments but the question mark is in the case of House of Folk where it is that club no aye recruitment there are huge question marks around it. Do we still trust the same process? And then the concern. And yes, a coach neto, and as a way neto. But repeatedly, and now consistently, House of Folk at the players are bar. One players never they fail to deliver. And then Omon Sanson Tnanche, which becomes a financial loss to the club Nankasa. And then economically and sporting wise, transfer no one bam for so and far more. Or they use the last season and the just ended season no as a yardstick. Beyond the Yomofani by sporting reasons was it justifiable? Okay. Yen skippy yon dem koye nimkra. Omode Cameroon
Kaba.
Junior Kaba. Eko saying he left in the middle of the season. One almost no. No more the Central African Republic.
That's
watching so by these were high profile signings. House of Folk funny year who they their coming was heralded. May have an inca. Na said the way has funny year. Na it meant that and it suggested say Sango for me no the mobile never chain dear na in fagin in Bela Bay or Kosoko.
Yes.
And it was just on the back of that the two Cameroonian players or mobile deliver. So no most of the omodi of us a mon trainer mubehu. Abu, how many goals no combine no share?
Omamuji go be there.
Oh there can you when the fabom no me and now. How many goals no share? So the appointment and answer the recruitment was a big failure. And nipa no yes ano and the committee and the team no more yes ano. Do you still trust them to go on and appoint and recruit a striker for us?
Like how well to play
and I may say that is a concern for us. First, now the practice. Say club administrators see two players no. I don't have a problem with that. Most of their signings perhaps will not come just from the coaches. There are times Duncan Nabekai so oba any top players no go. And the top players no go on the toy. Didn't Mediama win the league? One of the signings on Moye was Jonathan Soa. They did not deliver. But this is a club specific analysis here and you're moving from the general practice to a specific project which is a class of folk. Club have consistently bought players who have failed to deliver. And do we still trust that process? You look at the people making the recruitment. You raise questions about it. And any idea has saying we have not heard or seen any appointment that has Yemfane said general manager, Yemfane said CEO, Yemfane said Obia, Obe Fele an administrative void into the person will spearhead transfer process. BB sense. So the same old people now no more. What you say?
Matthias here, pa.
Omo you want the money na no. Omo no twice why. Enti sa no obebie wenim no ahwe House of Folk have they really learnt lessons? Menkasa transfer bi omaye bia no and a failure. But the success and the failure ratio no. So woka sa wo ya. Failure ni gina say ya, success neteba for fomba. Enti failure no was soro by 90%. success 10%. Do we still trust people with a 10% success rate to still recruit players for House of Folk?
No.
So what lessons were learnt? Tina me catch you say ye born here one. Yes, there is no proper debriefing and a review of activity in times past and now in the just ended season. Neil say ni FIA. Send there's a House of Folk so striker. What are the measures? What factors have been considered? Then ye dear tunes and ye say strike away in the ball na ye pesi bon efa. And I see a team medasia ya. So the point is that there is no scientific approach to signing players mostly here. And the House of Folk there no, more non-scientific.
More non-scientific.
Yeah, in fact, data and the top players. But House the end there, fact data and top players. And a double, and it is bad. Bad. I say a hit and miss, a far next season. Yes. The number of strikers they've tried, I am 5.
Bibri.
Oh, there, I bet Nego Tete. Kojo Obin Jr. Ionde. Junior Kaba. Yasan Washin. Adimola Kuti. Kambeka Adimola Lukman. Adimola Kuti. How many number? 6. If 6 a year target and to me I'm meeting the standard, why should I trust the person who keeps on recruiting them? Abu, you don't need rocket science. So they will keep making their mistakes and they will just limit it to hope. So omobe hope is a befadia mom. And Faswa will still be here to
remember. The last time in Korean, he's a solid defender.
Calvin. Oh, Calvin, you're good. But I'm not so needy any assets. Whatever we can say about player ba. I was all quiet medical. And son will be discussing contract. Abu. Beba. Only player and discuss it.
But as well, medicals.
House of Folk, any or more approach, if it is coming from the club directly, they will send a statement. A mobile request, they say, Omu hear the service of these players. And in the case of ACB, say a has club or no, and a air player now. A statement would have been sent to Techiman level on this. Me who be there, Ebi or Maya. But
what are we
why
am I